What does a seamless access experience look like in modern living? Let's explore it. This resident's home from the office, and no waiting around. Quick, easy, and all without leaving the car's front seat. Lots of shopping, a phone in your pocket, and a spare limb are all that's needed for access here. And now for the ultimate in modern convenience. Watch this resident's dinner make it from the front entrance all the way up to the sofa in a matter of minutes. No project should neglect security. This receptionist can visually verify visitors from both the video phone at his desk and whilst he is taking a quick break outside, giving him complete control at all times. Offer your residents what these people have: convenience, comfort, and safety.